Welcome to G Fun Facts Online, where we dive into the most amazing bits of science and technology. Today, we're shrinking down to the microscopic level to look at a huge solution for a global challenge: rising carbon dioxide levels. Get ready to meet the tiny superheroes of our story, Engineered Microbial Consortia. So, what on earth are Engineered Microbial Consortia? Imagine a microscopic dream team, a specially assembled community of different tiny organisms like bacteria, microalgae, and archaea. These aren't just any microbes. They're engineered, meaning scientists have given their natural abilities a super boost. They work together, synergistically, to do something incredible: capture CO2 from our atmosphere and even turn it into useful things. It's like nature's own carbon capture, but turbocharged. Let's unpack the science, but don't worry, we'll keep it fun. At the heart of it, these microbes use CO2 to grow. Think of microalgae and cyanobacteria. They perform photosynthesis, just like plants, using sunlight to convert CO2 into energy. Others use chemosynthesis, getting energy from chemical reactions. Scientists are using genetic engineering to make these processes even better, tweaking their metabolic pathways and boosting enzyme efficiencies. It's like fine-tuning an engine for maximum CO2 uptake. Now, why a consortium or a team? Because teamwork makes the dream work, even for microbes. Different microbes can specialize. Picture this: one type of microbe is a CO2 capturing champion, grabbing it out of the air. Another microbe in the team is a conversion specialist, taking that captured carbon and transforming it into biofuels, bioplastics, or other valuable chemicals. This division of labor makes the whole system more robust and way more efficient than a single microbe trying to do it all. Scientists are exploring some really cool strategies to make this happen. One is enhancing those natural carbon-fixing pathways, like photosynthesis in cyanobacteria, making enzymes like rubisco work even harder. Then there's microbial electrosynthesis, a super futuristic idea where electroactive bacteria use electricity, ideally from renewable sources like solar or wind, to turn CO2 into organic compounds. Talk about green tech. They're also big on co-cultivation. This is where different microbes in the team support each other. Maybe one microbe releases a substance that helps another grow, or removes something that could slow the process down. It's a beautifully designed, self-supporting, microscopic ecosystem. And of course, all of this needs a home. Developing advanced bioreactors is key. These are like high-tech apartments for our microbial communities, perfectly designed to give them everything they need: light, nutrients, and a steady supply of CO2. Plus, this technology isn't an island. It can be integrated with other systems. Imagine these microbes munching on CO2 from the flue gases of power plants or industrial factories before it even hits the atmosphere. Pretty neat, right? Now, as with any groundbreaking science, there are challenges. Making this work on a massive industrial scale and keeping costs down is a big one. Keeping these diverse microbial teams stable and working together harmoniously over long periods is also tricky. And of course, scientists are always pushing to make the CO2 capture and conversion process faster and more efficient. We also need to be super careful that deploying these microbes on a large scale doesn't have any unintended negative effects on our environment. But despite these hurdles, the future is incredibly bright. Researchers are discovering and engineering new microbes with even better carbon-fixing powers. They're designing more stable and efficient consortia. And get this: artificial intelligence and synthetic biology are joining the party, helping to design super-optimized microbial systems for specific carbon-capturing goals. The ultimate dream? To develop sustainable, economically viable, bio-based solutions that genuinely help us fight climate change, reduce CO2 in the air, and build a circular carbon economy where carbon is reused instead of just wasted. So the next time you think about climate solutions, remember these tiny, powerful organisms. Engineered Microbial Consortia might just be the microscopic heroes we need to help clean our planet. It's a fantastic example of harnessing nature's genius, amplified by human ingenuity. That's all for today's episode of G Fun Facts Online. Join us next time for more amazing discoveries. Stay curious.